how to add files in Lovable. I'm going to show you how you can do that if you are just starting your project, and also if you have a project selected. If you are trying to create a project from scratch and you want to add files, from the prompt screen here, the home screen, once you have signed in, you will just click on the attach button, upload images and more. And once you click on it, you can select the file which you want to use and then proceed to give it the prompt. But let's say that you have a project ready here and you want to attach a file. Here in the bottom left corner, we're just going to click on the plus sign, and again you will see the attach button. Once selected, you can choose the file which you want to upload, then you will click on open, and then you will give the prompt to Lovable what you want it to do with this file. For example, add this image as a product, and you will click on the enter button to send the message, and that is how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.